Hello, my friends. How are you? Good? Nice. First grade. We are almost in the end of Unit 5. We are almost saying goodbye for the farm. Yes. So, today, I want you to use your imagination. Okay? Look at here. We learned about many farm animals. Okay? So, I want to know, what is your favorite farm animal? What it is? Think about it a little bit. We have pig, sheep, chicken, cat, dog, cow, goat, horse, okay? And we have their babies. Remember? Calf, foal, fry, lamb, chick, duckling, piglet, okay? So, you're going to open your book, my activity book, okay? You're going to pick up a blank sheet inside your book, and you are going to draw your favorite animal and his baby. Do not forget that in a farm, we have grass on the ground, okay? Grass. And I want it to be beautiful. So take some time, do it very beautiful, very nice, pay attention, and do it as best as you can, okay? I'm gonna ask to see it on Monday. Oops, I'm sorry, Monday we don't have class. But I am gonna ask it to see it next class on Tuesday. Okie dokie. Have a beautiful weekend. Bye-bye.